action. Hi, Naveen here from DJ Naveen Productions and Event Lighting. Today is Saturday, September 15th, 2012. We're on site at the Novi Sheraton in Novi, Michigan. We're doing the reception for Omar. We got the full setup this evening, the platinum setup with the speakers, the subs, the tops, the facade, and we got full room purple uplighting. The room looks beautiful, it's magnificent. We did all the 3-watt uplights. We totally transformed the room. Like I said, we got the KW subs, the KW dual tops, and then the single tops. We got a really nice couple this evening. We're gonna have professional singers here, so we got some extra microphones for them and a professional singing mixer. We're gonna get some footage of them because we have a professional singers, a male and female singer who's gonna be entertaining us this evening. There's not gonna be any open dancing, so we're gonna open the doors. The people are gonna come in. We're gonna introduce the bride and groom. We're gonna have a few speeches, have dinner, have our live musicians, and then at the end of the evening, everybody will go home. So in just a moment, I'm gonna show you a look of the room before all the lights are set up. We're gonna do it before, and then we're gonna do it after, and you can see our setup for the evening. So we'll see you on the next clip. Continuing our video, we've opened the doors. All the guests are taking their seats. We just want to show you our setup for the evening. We have the QSC KW subs, the dual KW tops, the 3-ways, and then the singles on top for a nice, rich sounding system. We have the same thing on that side, and it's going to run all the way across. Let me show you our setup with the DJ Naveen Productions Facade. We have the professional Allen and Heath mixer right here. It's a 16-channel mixer. We're running into our mixer for music, and then we also have the live sound going out of this too. We have all the effects that we need for the singers. So again, this just shows the room. You've all seen all the uplights. We're going to go ahead and introduce the bride and groom, and then we're going to have dinner, and then we're going to show some clips of our live entertainment.
Yes, first of all, I just want to congratulate the bride and the groom. And We have a great selection of songs for you tonight, mix of old and new. The first song we're going to start off with is from the movie Hum Tum. So here it goes.
lighting. September 15th, 2012 for the reception for Sundas and Omar. Want to thank you for watching another gig log. Again, we did the full platinum setup. We had the QSC Subs, the QSC dual tops, and the fills. We did the full room uplighting. We had our live singers, Alka and Shri. We got some great footage of them. So we're just wrapping up the evening, and we hope you enjoyed another gig log. Thank you.